Hello. The universal beginning, hi, the friendly, informal version. Good morning, the start of the day. Good afternoon, the heart of the workday. Good evening, the calm of the evening. Good night, the surrender to sleep. And then the planning.
Wednesday, I'll see you.
Thursday, we have an appointment. Sunday is for rest and family. This is the circle of the day, the words we say when we arrive.
Goodbye, bye.
See
you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Thanks, thank you.
Please,
Please.
please.
You're welcome, no problem.
But greetings and thanks coming and going.
The rhythm of every conversation.
I'm sorry, excuse me, pardon me. The art of making amends. It doesn't matter, the grace of acceptance. That's true, that's correct, the confirmation of the other. I don't know, I don't understand the honest doubt. And sometimes in the middle of the week, appointments on Wednesday, meetings on Thursday, family moments on Sunday. Life is a calendar, greetings are the glue.
Goodbye, bye.
See you
later.
See you tomorrow.
See you soon.
Thank you. Please.
You're welcome, no problem.
Greetings and thanks coming and going.
The rhythm of every conversation.
Nice to meet you, the end of a first acquaintance. Same here, the echo of reciprocity. Me too, not me, similarity and difference. Congratulations, a joyful interruption. Enjoy your meal, the blessing over food. Get well soon, the wish for healing. Have a nice day, wishing well for what's to come. Happy New Year, happy holidays, the big moments. Cheers, raising a glass together.
Goodbye, bye. See you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you soon. Thank you, thank you. Please. You're welcome, no problem.
And remember, come in, the door is open. Don't worry,
Take it easy, it's fine.
you are here.
You are welcome.
The conversation has begun. Hello,
Goodbye.
from greeting to farewell, from Wednesday to Sunday, from nice to meet you to see you. The conversation is quiet for a moment, but tomorrow there is another Thursday and another hello.
Goodbye.